Ba mà sao mình về là nghĩ những khi bạn châu rùm không bật cả pre-launch party cả đại xã là bong không cả pra rồi có những tài chip toal bị chu mô tôประเภท scooter ដែលយើងអាចធ្វើការជិះរហូតដល់100គីឡូសាកម្ដងគឺ5ម៉ោងហើយវាជាផលិតផលដែលគេធ្វើតាម100គ្រឿងដំបូងទេសម្រាប់លក់នៅក្នុងស្រុកយើងនិង in the future នៅពេលអនាគតគេនឹងធ្វើលក់ទៅក្រៅចំណាប់អារម្មណ៍របស់ខ្ញុំផ្ទាល់ដោយសារតែរបស់នេះគឺ build នៅក្នុងស្រុកយើង from scratch ហ្មងគឺចាប់ផ្ដើមតាំងពីគ្រប់សពបែបយ៉ាងទាំងអស់ engineer នៅក្នុងស្រុកខ្មែរយើងហើយខ្ញុំធ្លាប់ពេលដែលខ្ញុំទៅគឺខ្ញុំបានជួបជាមួយនឹង engineer ដែលគាត់ធ្វើនឹងផ្ទាល់ design អីទាំងអស់ហ្មងហើយ wow មែនទែនយើងធ្លាប់ជួបគ្នានៅ club house ហើយយើងបានជជែកគ្នាច្រើនអំពីវិស័យ robotic នៅក្នុងស្រុកខ្មែរយើងរហូតដល់គាត់គឺជាក្រុមហ៊ុនមួយមានឈ្មោះថា Quantum ដែលធ្វើរឿងដោះមីនAI សម្រាប់ដោះមីនហើយឥឡូវនេះគឺគាត់បានចាប់ផ្ដើមធ្វើមួយនេះQ moto នេះដើម្បីគោលដៅរបស់គាត់គឺតែមួយទេខ្ញុំបានសួរគាត់ថាហេតុអីបានគាត់ធ្វើអាហ្នឹងមកចម្លើយរបស់គាត់គឺតែមួយគត់គឺគាត់ធ្វើឲ្យមានការផ្លាស់ប្ដូរការគិតអំពីផលិតផលនៅក្នុងស្រុកយើងគឺផលិតផល made in Cambodia ពេលដែលខ្ញុំឮពាក្យហ្នឹងខ្ញុំ surprise មែនតើហើយខ្ញុំទៅជួបធីមគាត់គឺសុទ្ធតែអ្នកអញ្ចឹងទាំងអស់គាត់សុទ្ធតែអ្នកដែលមានសមត្ថភាពដែលធ្វើការនៅក្រៅប្រទេសមាន story មានសាច់រឿងដែលគាត់បានលុយច្រើនគាត់មានធ្វើការនៅក្រុមហ៊ុនធំប៉ុន្តែគាត់លះបង់អត់ទាំងអស់ហ្នឹងគឺដើម្បីមកធ្វើឲ្យមានរោងចក្រនៅក្នុងស្រុកខ្មែរយើងបើសិនជាអត់មានអ្នកចាប់ផ្ដើមទេខ្ញុំគិតថាគាត់បាននិយាយថាសុខចិត្តគាត់គឺជាអ្នកដែលទទួលការរិះគន់ដំបូងគេបង្អស់ដើម្បីឲ្យកើតមានផលិតផលនៅក្នុងស្រុកនេះគឺជាពាក្យមួយដ៏ចាក់ដោតមែនតើខ្ញុំដឹងថាស្ពេចនេះខ្ពស់តម្លៃវាខ្ពស់សម្រាប់ជីវភាពអ្នកដែលធម្មតាប៉ុន្តែសម្រាប់ដែលមានអ្នកដែលមានលទ្ធភាពនឹងគ្រប់គ្រងនឹងឲ្យកើតមានខ្ញុំគិតថាជាសម្លេងមួយល្អមែនតើតោះឥឡូវយើងចូលទៅមើលសាច់រឿងទាំងអស់ថាតើមានអ្វីកើតឡើងនៅក្នុង event នឹងខ្លះហើយខ្ញុំសង្ឃឹមថាខ្ញុំនឹង involve បន្តបន្ទាប់នឹងការថាតាមដានព័ត៌មានមួយនឹងសម្រាប់អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាអរគុណច្រើន factory ấyចូលតាមក្រោយនៅនេះផ្លៃមែនទេគេមានអាគារធំខ្ពស់ហើយខ្ញុំនឹងមកចូលរួម event របស់ Quantum ដែលជាការសម្ពោធ Q Moto ដែលជាម៉ូតូអគុយឬក៏កង់អគុយអញ្ចឹងយើងដើរទៅទាំងអស់នេះខ្ញុំអត់ដឹងនៅណាដែរគឺផ្លូវរបស់គេហើយពួកខាងនេះគឺអាគារជាកន្លែងនេះកន្លែងគេស្នាក់នៅជា condo ជាអីចឹងខាងនោះដល់ factory ហ្នឹងគឺមានប្រជុំមានកន្លែងអីច្រើនទៀតឥឡូវយើងតិចទៀតយើងទៅដល់បាទពីមុនខ្ញុំមកគឺអាគារនេះនៅស្អាតមែនតើឥឡូវគេមានការរៀបចំគេផ្លូវដើរលយមែនតើខាងមកយូរថ្លៃខ្ញុំមិនដឹងថា event គេនៅណាឡើយទេក៏ដើរមើលសិនកន្លែងជា whisky អូខេឥឡូវយើងដើរទៅឲ្យចាំយើងថតមិនថាអត់ថតទេប៉ុន្តែខាងមកយូរគេរៀបចំស្អាតខ្ញុំកំពុងមើលសារអូខេនេះមកដល់ Q Moto by Quantum 8 October at 4 pre-launch party អញ្ចឹងយើងដើរកាត់សាញហើយយើងដើរទៅមុខទៀតព្រោះអានេះ space គេញ៉ាំអីលក់នេះលក់នោះយើងអត់ដឹងថាគេធ្វើនៅកន្លែងណាចាំមើលយើងមើលភាសាទៀតតិចមានសាញទៀតតែមិនអូខេមកយើងទៅសាញតទៀតទេអូហើយគឺ
This is Japan. This is Sailing. There's Cody, Louis. Japan is technology review and introduction and basically in tech in Cambodia. So he teach a lot of young people about tech on Facebook and YouTube too, right?
Yes, a small one. But basically run bar camp. Did you heard about bar camp?
Bar camp Cambodia. No. Yeah.
It's kind of tech event that I think it's bigger, something like we gathering around 8,000 people talking about tech technology.
Okay, well, so I want to introduce you to our two motors.
Yep.
So there's three modes. Mode 1 is 20 km/h, top speed. Mode 2 is 40 km. So there's mode 2, and mode 3 is 60 km/h. Not only that, in the original position, we only do single drive. But if you press this button, it's all-wheel drive, which means both the back wheel and the front wheel will be running at the same time. And our motor is so powerful that we limit the acceleration. That we only press this to unlock the acceleration. This is turbo motor. So I would recommend to just try it without the all-wheel, without the turbo, and at speed 1. If comfortable with it, can do speed 2 and then all-wheel drive and turbo mode. Try both of them on, and then can see the power of the motor. If right now just jump on and do the turbo and the all-wheel drive, you will shock. You will shock for sure. Oh yeah, please.
Oh, ticket.
It's for
Ticket.
free floor here.
Free.
Yes អែមែនតើយើងមានប៊ូតុង2នេះនេះគឺលឿនហ្មងណាបើយើងអត់ចុចដល់2នេះទេគឺយើងទៅធម្មតានេះគឺ gear យើងចុចទៅវាទៅមុខអានេះគឺគីឡូហើយមាំមែនតើ
This is mode 2 at 40 km per hour, and this is mode 3 at 60 km per hour.
Can you mode 1 and 1?
Yes, and then this is for even turbo. Turbo means 0 to 60 in 3 seconds.
Oh,
so you don't turn
shit.
it on.
Yeah, I never turn it on.
Okay, and then you just press this, and then you go.
Oh.
Oh, that means change that.
This product is designed and fully manufactured by a team of Cambodians, and I want to give a shout out to the whole team for making this idea and this dream come true. And here we are today at the pre-launch, and I hope everyone here has a try and give us advice back about anything that you think about Q-Motor right now. And don't forget, if you guys are interested in ordering one at the end of the year, we have our pre-order here. You can just scan here to get to know more about our product, and then we'll make sure that you won't be not satisfied. Sorry. But thank you so much, everyone, for coming today. I hope you guys have a great time, and well, welcome to Q-Orders. I'll pass it on to Richard.
Thank you, Sean, and thank you everyone for being here. This is definitely an honor and a big moment for Quantum, but also I think for Cambodia to kind of take the next step in technology development. Typically, when we talk about technology in Cambodia, we either import it or white label a product. But with Q-Motor, we actually design and build it from scratch, which means there are no replication anywhere else in the world. And the spec that we produce here, we don't want it to compete nationally. We want it to compete internationally. That's why we build the spec to be very high at 60 km top speed in 3 seconds and the range at 100 km range per charge. The dual suspension, the dual motor, make sure you can ride in comfort, go anywhere you like. And this is the dream for the whole team, to start building consumer technology right here in Cambodia, to build and design something that can compete internationally. And I think that's always been a dream for us at Quantum. And Q-Motor is our first product. It definitely will not be our last. So please stay tuned. Over the next few years, we're going to be pushing out more consumer technology products that really show the world that Cambodia can make high quality products. That we want to show a product that can really put the Cambodia on the world map. And when we talk about the spec and the quality, we meant by our words. So take a look and try out our Q motor and see how fast it goes. I'm sure it's gonna put a smile on your face. And thank you again for coming here. This is a big moment for us and we would love to share this moment for everyone. Thank you very much.